69 is a great number, the best even. But 1969 is probably one of the most important years for the Speedmaster and Omega. In July of 1969, the moon landing took place. It was a historic event that marked the first time humans had set foot on another celestial body. As the Apollo 11 mission touched down on the lunar surface, astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon, followed by Buzz Aldrin. The Omega Speedmaster, a robust and reliable chronograph, played a crucial role in the success of the Apollo 11 mission. Selected by NASA after rigorous testing, the Speedmaster became the official watch for astronauts and gained the distinction of being the first watch worn on the moon. During the moon landing, Buzz Aldrin wore his Speedmaster on the lunar surface, making it an iconic timepiece forever linked to human achievement and the exploration of space. The precision and durability of the Omega Speedmaster contributed to its status as an enduring symbol of courage, innovation, and the triumph of human ingenuity in the face of extraordinary challenges. This watch is known as a Pree-moon Speedmaster. It was manufactured in, you guessed it, 1969. So it is lacking all of the moon marketing. But the great thing about it is that it was created the same year of the moon landing. The Omega Speedmaster reference 145.022-69ST holds a significant place in horological history as an iconic and revered timepiece. Renowned for its legendary association with space exploration, this particular model was part of the transitional period for the Speedmaster, incorporating notable updates while still retaining the classic attributes that define the collection. The Speedmaster features a 42mm stainless steel case with a characteristic asymmetrical case design, incorporating twisted lugs and a tachymeter bezel. The black tropical dial, known for its tendency to turn brown due to prolonged exposure to sunlight, adds a distinctive vintage charm. The tritium hour markers and hands echo the classic aesthetic, and the Hesalite crystal further accentuates the vintage allure of this timepiece. Design-wise, this Speedmaster is basically the same to all lines of the classic Speedmaster Professional, but the brown dial and lume gives its age away. At the heart of this Speedmaster beats the legendary Omega Caliber 861 manual winding movement. This revered movement has been an integral part of the Speedmaster's legacy and has proven its reliability during space missions. The movement's robustness, precision, and historical significance make it a celebrated feature of this timepiece. As we have said, this watch played a crucial role in space exploration history, as it was in the same family of references that accompanied the Apollo 11 mission to the moon in 1969. Its association with NASA's space missions contributes to its iconic status and enduring appeal among horology enthusiasts and collectors. Due to its historical significance and vintage aesthetic, the Omega Speedmaster 69 ST has garnered attention as a sought-after collector's piece. Its unique design elements, historical relevance, and place in the pantheon of space exploration timepieces solidify its status as a coveted and collectible watch. The aged patina, tropical dial, and worn-in appearance due to natural aging endow the Speedmaster with distinctive vintage character. These attributes, combined with its historical narrative, make it a compelling choice for enthusiasts appreciative of vintage timepieces with unique stories to tell. Overall, the Omega Speedmaster encapsulates the rich heritage, historical significance, and timeless design elements that have cemented the Speedmaster's status as an enduring icon in the world of watchmaking. Its vintage aesthetic, association with space exploration, and collectible nature make it a remarkable and captivating timepiece for enthusiasts and collectors alike.